Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will explore the function and working principle of the double cone or flap valve. The following topics will be discussed in the upcoming slides. The first topic is, what is the double cone valve? The second topic is, how does the double cone valve work? The third topic is, what is the purpose of the double cone valve? We will cover these topics in more detail in the upcoming slides. Next, we will learn what is the double cone valve. Double flap and cone valves are commonly used for extracting bulk material from collection vessels that maintain a pressure different from the outside environment. Next, typical applications include locations below electrostatic precipitator, ESP, hoppers and baghouse hoppers, where dust collection chambers operate at negative pressure. Next, we will learn the working principle of the double cone valve. The double cone and flap valves are designed for controlled feeding and to achieve airlock sealing. These valves consist of two independent cone or flap valves stacked one on top of the other, with their openings and closings alternated and synchronized to ensure that only one valve is open at a time. Next, the double cone valves are made up of two cone or flap valves that are mounted on top of each other. They are designed to operate at a low speed, which makes them more reliable and longer lasting. Next, it operates slowly, typically not exceeding 6 cycles per minute. As a result, they are suited for batch feeding rather than continuous feeding. Next, we will learn the working principle of the double cone valve. Next, the choice between cone or flap valves depends on the characteristics of the material being handled and system requirements, such as pressure sealing. Cone valves provide better sealing than flap valves. However, in smaller sizes, the cone can obstruct flow and cause clogging in the small opening. Next, these valves are robustly constructed with double cones and cone seal rings, which are activated through a cam and lever mechanism. They operate at a specified speed, ensuring a consistent flow rate. Additionally, the design of the cones and seal rings provides an effective air seal. Next, the internal components of these valves, such as the cones and cone seal rings, are crafted from a special alloy steel that offers exceptional abrasion resistance, ensuring a longer lifespan. We will learn the function and application of the double cone or flap valves. These valves can handle fine, dusty, or grainy materials, such as cement, crushed ore, sugar, minerals, grains, plastics, dust, fly ash, flour, gypsum, lime, coffee, cereals, and pharmaceuticals. The first function is controlled feeding. Double cone valves are used to feed materials like powders, chips, and granules. It operates slowly, typically not exceeding 6 cycles per minute. As a result, they are suited for batch feeding rather than continuous feeding. The second function is airlock sealing. Double cone valves are used to seal the airlock between the collection chamber and conveying equipment. The third function is materials handling. Double cone valves are used to discharge dust from a cyclone, ESP, baghouse equipments. Next, we will learn the function and application of the double cone or flap valves. The fourth function, high temperature applications. Double cone valves are used in high temperature sinter handling applications. The fifth application is lifespan. Double cone valves provide excellent material discharge tightness, which can lead to a longer lifespan for the machine. The sixth point application is pressure difference. Double cone valves can work with higher pressure differences. The seventh application is the abrasion resistance. Double cone valves can resist more severe abrasion conditions. Next, we will watch a video demonstrating how the double cone valve works to enhance our understanding. We hope this explanation clarifies the double cone or flap valve function, application and working principle for better understanding. Don't forget to subscribe to our MBS Engineering channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.